Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay September 25, 2024 Wednesday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong September 25, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, September 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for September 25, 2024 Wednesday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Wednesday, September 25, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of September 25, 2024 Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.